How to make restaurant website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this white button, get started, and here you need to answer this question: what's your site about? This helps us guide your experience. So basically you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So basically we need to restaurant website, and I'm just gonna type restaurant restaurants. Here it is. Next, what do you want to do with your website? Here you need to answer what purposes of your website, what do you want to do with your website. You can sell online courses, you can collect donations, get appointments, sell on demand videos, sell memberships, promote or project. Maybe I need this one to promote our restaurant. Sell services, maybe yes, to, for example, sell delivery food. Build community, promote a physical business, obviously, yes. Sell products, yes, sell food. And guys, choose whatever you want here, whatever you need. Next one, how would you like to start building your website? You can build your website with AI, or you can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. And honestly guys, I'm not a big fan of this blueprint AI. I'm gonna choose this one, browse templates. And here it is guys. On this page you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you and for your business and for your restaurant. You can see all of them are really nice, are really beautiful, gorgeous, and also you can change the settings right here to have another templates. I really like this one. Sample color presets. I can change main colors of our website, and I can view demo site right here. And yeah, it's look nice, yes. And I can start with this design. So guys, squarespace.com is the best option to create your website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just use website to create another website. That's why I highly recommend you to try this website. And now everything is ready, and we need to choose the name for our website. Basically here we need to write our restaurant name. For example, my restaurant is calling Asian food. Okay, just like that. Then continue. Here you can see some tips how to use this website, but I don't need them. And now you can edit this template, this site. But first of all, you need to check this out. Check your pages right here. You can see contact us and homepage. This homepage is not linked for some reason, so I need to link it to main navigation right here. And also you can see right here, okay, doesn't matter, you can add new page right here. You can change the order of them. You can set them up how you want. You can see it's changing, but yes, right here. Next one, you can change the styles of your website. Something went wrong. I need to reload the site. Yes, you can change themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever. So you can change the style of your website, for example, like this. And colors and fonts. Basically, this font is like very boring. You can, for example, choose this one. Yeah, looks nice. And now you can edit your website. Save. Click this button, edit. And by the way, guys, save your changes as frequently as possible, just not to lose your changes. And now you can see the sections right here, header, footer, main section right here. You can add new section, for example, events or blank section. And you can edit this section, and I want this section be higher, and I can easily move this section right here, move down, move up. I can change this text, I can delete this text right here, I can undo, I can change the size, I can of course change the address. Just delete this one and add new location, for example, I don't know, New York City, 5th Avenue, whatever. Just click on text and you can edit it, and for example you can add new elements, add block, and you can add text, image, video, button, any content. You can add image right here, you can upload it from your computer, or you can browse stock images, free images right here, for example, Asian food. Oh yes, this looks sexy, I want to add this image. Just for an example, it's loading a bit. Yes. So guys, you can edit almost everything on this website. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend try to explore it yourself. And when you're done editing your website, you need to publish this website. And to publish this website, you need to upgrade your account. Just click subscribe. And now you're able to select a plan. You can have a personal plan, business, basic, and advanced. Choose whatever you want. You can see advantages of every of them. Most popular one is business one, only $23 per month. And with this plan, with this subscription, you're able to publish your website, you're able to have your own custom domain and security of your website and custom support and sell products. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the subscribe button, press the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.